Hello, friends. I don't intend to spend time on the philosophies of whether or not you need to buy a crash cage for your CRF250L. If you're watching this video, you're likely already interested. So instead, I'll show you various views so you can see how the T-Rex Racing crash cage looks mounted up. A crash cage is obviously not going to protect every part on your bike from a crash because frankly, there are just too many ways your bike can end up on its side. In fact, while at a scenic spot parked on pavement this year, my helmet cam caught a wind gust blowing over my friend's bike. Just one of many things that can happen out in the real world. If crash bars take the hit and keep something important from being damaged to a point of not being able to ride home, then I would be glad I made the purchase. These crash bars were very easy to install in less than 15 minutes, and they mount solid to the bike. Being black, they blend in nicely on the bike and don't take anything away from the looks. At least I didn't think so. Check the T-Rex Racing section of our website out for discount codes and keep watching our 2020 video series called Road to Adventure, and look for our other related series videos as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.